Hi, I'm Bharat and I will be presenting the business idea CrowdVision. The goal of this business is to make social distancing convenient. Social distancing, now a household word, has changed the way we do everything. Shops now are not able to accommodate all of their customers at once inside due to these new norms. This causes huge lines outside of shops, which are even longer with the 1.5 meters rule. CrowdVision can provide live crowd status of a shop at a given time through an app. This is done by the platform's ability to automatically integrate with the shop's CCTV surveillance system and check for social distancing while updating users with the live numbers. This will ensure people coming to shops only when there is space available, which in turn eliminates the lines. Without such technology, to maintain social distancing for a shop is too difficult. This platform is going to help a shop be a safe place for their customers. Every retailer or business with foot traffic and no reservation system are target consumers to this platform. For instance, supermarkets, restaurants, bakeries, and shopping centers. This is a new market with very limited competition. Although some governments around the world have tried a virtual queue system for very specific purposes, which have spectacularly failed. Having lived through this problem and being a web and mobile applications developer, I could visualize exactly how software can solve this problem. My prior experience in developing a crowd management app for banks will be beneficial. Bringing my idea to reality, I would start with gathering about 4 friends and setting up a team equally split for marketing and building the product. After that, I will set out a 2 weeks plan to build the beta. During the development, we will be cold emailing and receiving feedback from our target consumers. Our goal would be to achieve seamless operation in trials and move to production, after which these results can be shown to governments. Our plan to enter market. The existing providers of virtual queue systems are charging as much as 10 cents per entry made. This amount can be significantly reduced with this implementation being less expensive computationally and very easily scalable. I propose a software as a service model for this platform with a fixed monthly recurring payment based on area size and support requirement. With that said, this project will be an easy execution for me and my team. With the level of simplicity and reliability of CrowdVision, we hope to make social distancing truly convenient. Thank you.